Let's embark on a journey through time. Imagine standing on the precipice of history, looking back at the eons that have shaped our world. Now, let's turn our gaze forward into the vast expanse of the future. We're fast-forwarding millions of years into the future. Picture the Earth as it evolves, landscapes morphing and climates shifting in ways we can scarcely imagine. Our destination, Earth, 10 million years from now, a planet that has undergone profound transformations, both subtle and dramatic. It's a world both familiar and alien. Deserts may have turned into lush forests, and once fertile lands could now be arid wastelands. Continents have shifted, the climate transformed. Imagine the continents as pieces of a giant puzzle, constantly moving and reshaping the face of the Earth. Life itself has adapted to these dramatic changes. Species we know today may have evolved into entirely new forms, perfectly suited to their altered habitats. Imagine Earth as a giant clock. Each tick not just a second but a millennium, a testament to the relentless march of time. And each tick represents thousands of years. In this grand scale, mountains rise and fall, oceans swell and recede, and entire ecosystems come and go. Mountains rise and fall like breaths. These colossal structures, which seem eternal to us, are but fleeting moments in the grand timeline of Earth. Oceans swell and recede like tides. Coastlines are redrawn, and the very shape of continents is altered by the ceaseless movement of water. This is the grand, slow dance of deep time. A dance that has been ongoing for billions of years, shaping the world in ways we are only beginning to understand. It's a time scale that dwarfs human existence, yet we are now beginning to grasp its awe-inspiring power. The ruins of ancient civilizations remind us of our fleeting presence in this vast timeline. By studying the distant past, we unlock clues to the distant future. Each rock, each fossil is a page in the Earth's history book, offering insights into what lies ahead. Ancient rocks whisper tales of past climates. They tell us of ice ages and warm periods, of times when the Earth was a very different place. Fossils reveal the incredible diversity of life that once thrived. They show us creatures that have long since vanished and hint at the forms life may take in the future. This knowledge, gathered over generations, allows us to make educated guesses about the world to come. Scientists, through their meticulous work, piece together the puzzle of Earth's future. So join me as we venture into the far future. Let's walk through landscapes that have yet to form, and imagine the world as it might be. Let's explore the scientific predictions for Earth 10 million years from now. From shifting continents to evolving ecosystems, the future holds endless possibilities. It's a future shaped by both natural forces and our own actions. Our impact on the planet is undeniable, and the choices we make today will echo through the millennia. Together, let's glimpse into this deep time and ponder the legacy we will leave behind. The Earth's surface is a mosaic of moving plates. Like giant puzzle pieces, they constantly shift and grind against each other. This process, called plate tectonics, has shaped our planet for billions of years. Looking ahead, scientists predict the birth of a new supercontinent. Over millions of years, the Americas will likely collide with Asia. Africa might join this colossal landmass. This future supercontinent has been dubbed Amarsia. The formation of Amarsia will have dramatic consequences. Ocean currents will be rerouted, global weather patterns will shift, entire ecosystems will be reshaped. The very air we breathe could be different. Earth's climate is a delicate balancing act, a complex interplay of various natural forces that shape the environment we live in. One crucial factor in this balance is the ebb and flow of ice, which plays a significant role in regulating global temperatures and sea levels. Over millennia, our planet has cycled through periods of intense cold, known as ice ages, where vast ice sheets covered large portions of the Earth, and warmer interglacial periods. These cycles are influenced by Earth's orbit and tilt, which determine the distribution of sunlight across the planet. Even slight variations in these factors can have a dramatic impact on the amount of sunlight reaching different parts of the planet, leading to significant climatic changes. This, in turn, affects the growth and melting of ice sheets, which are crucial in maintaining the Earth's climate equilibrium. While predicting the exact timing of future ice ages is complex, we know that these cycles will continue, driven by natural forces beyond our control. The massive ice sheets of Greenland and Antarctica will wax and wane, growing during colder periods and shrinking during warmer ones. Sea levels will rise and fall in response to these changes, affecting coastal ecosystems and human settlements. Coastal regions will be particularly vulnerable to these changes, facing increased risks of flooding, erosion, and habitat loss. The dance of ice and ocean is also influenced by ocean currents, which distribute heat around the globe and play a key role in climate regulation. These currents support marine ecosystems, from the vibrant coral reefs in tropical waters to the rich biodiversity of the polar seas. Scientists study ice cores and ocean sediments to understand past climate changes and predict future trends, providing valuable insights into the Earth's climatic future. As we continue to study and understand these natural processes, we gain a clearer picture of how our planet's climate will evolve and how we can adapt to these inevitable changes. By taking action to mitigate climate change and protect our environment, we can help ensure a more stable and sustainable future for generations to come. The dance of ice and ocean is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Earth spins on its axis like a top, but this axis isn't perfectly stable. Over very long periods, it can wobble and tilt. These variations, though subtle, can have a profound impact on our planet's climate. In 10 million years, Earth's tilt could be significantly different. Some scientists believe it might even reach extreme angles. Imagine a world where the poles experience months of perpetual sunlight, followed by months of complete darkness. Such a dramatic shift would lead to extreme seasons. Temperatures would soar in some regions and plummet in others. Weather patterns would become even more unpredictable. Life on Earth would face unprecedented challenges. The sun is our star, a giant ball of burning gas that provides the energy for life on Earth. But the sun is not static. Like all stars, it's slowly getting brighter over time. This increase in solar luminosity, though gradual, will have significant consequences for Earth's climate. Over millions of years, it could lead to a gradual warming effect. This, in turn, could trigger a cascade of changes, from rising sea levels to more frequent and severe heat waves. While this might seem like a distant threat, it highlights the interconnectedness of our solar system. The fate of our planet is inextricably linked to the evolution of our star. Section 6. A world reshaped by water. One of the most dramatic changes predicted for the future is the melting of the East Antarctic ice sheet. This massive ice sheet, if it were to melt entirely, contains enough water to raise global sea levels by over 50 meters. While this complete meltdown is not expected within the next 10 million years, even a partial melt would have significant consequences. Coastal cities would be inundated. Entire island nations could disappear beneath the waves. The map of the world would be redrawn. This stark reality underscores the urgency of addressing climate change. While the complete melting of the East Antarctic ice sheet is a long-term threat, our actions today will determine the severity of its impact. Section 7. Humanity's blending tapestry. Humans are a remarkably diverse species. From our physical appearances to our cultural practices, we exhibit a stunning array of variations. This diversity is a testament to our adaptability and resilience. However, some scientists predict that in 10,000 years, regional genetic variations among humans might become less pronounced. Increased migration and intermixing, driven by factors like globalization and climate change, could lead to a blending of genetic traits. While this prediction might seem counterintuitive in a world often divided by differences, it highlights the interconnectedness of humanity. Ultimately, we are all part of a single, interconnected species sharing a common fate. Section 8. Modeling our planetary future. Predicting the future of our planet is a daunting task. There are countless variables to consider, from natural cycles to human activity. It's a complex web of interconnected systems. To make sense of this complexity, scientists rely on sophisticated computer models. These models simulate Earth's climate system, taking into account factors like greenhouse gas emissions, solar radiation, and ocean currents. By running these models forward, researchers can explore different scenarios for the future. While these models are not crystal balls, they provide invaluable insights into the potential consequences of our actions. They highlight the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and underscore the need for sustainable practices. Section 9. A call for stewardship. As we peer into the deep future, one thing becomes abundantly clear. The Earth is a dynamic planet, constantly changing and evolving. The world of 10 million years from now will be shaped by both natural forces and our own actions. This realization should fill us with a sense of awe and responsibility. We are caretakers of this planet, entrusted with its well-being for future generations. The choices we make today will have a profound impact on the world of tomorrow. Let us embrace the challenge of creating a sustainable future. Let us harness the power of science and technology to address global challenges. Let us work together to ensure that the Earth remains a vibrant and habitable planet for all forms of life. for millions of years to come. The stewardship of our planet is not just a duty but a privilege. Each action we take, no matter how small, contributes to the larger tapestry of Earth's future. From reducing our carbon footprint to supporting conservation efforts, every step counts. Imagine a world where every individual, community and nation works in harmony to protect our environment. Education plays a crucial role in this mission. By teaching the next generation about the importance of sustainability, we empower them to make informed decisions. Innovative solutions in agriculture, energy and urban planning can pave the way for a greener future. Embracing renewable energy sources and sustainable practices in our daily lives can significantly reduce our environmental impact. Global cooperation is essential. By working together, sharing knowledge and supporting each other, we can tackle the most pressing environmental challenges. Our oceans, forests and wildlife depend on our commitment to stewardship. Protecting biodiversity ensures the health of our planet. Let us celebrate our achievements and continue to strive for a world where nature and humanity coexist in harmony. The journey towards a sustainable future is long, but every effort brings us closer to a thriving planet. Together we can create a legacy of stewardship that will be remembered for generations to come. Let us rise to the occasion and embrace our role as guardians of the Earth.